Did you know there's an animal that can regrow its entire body? This is a small aquatic creature called a planarian, and if you cut one in half, each half will simply grow into a whole new animal. But it gets even weirder. If you take a single cell from one of these creatures and put it into a petri dish, it will just start dividing and eventually grow into an entirely new organism. Now, scientists have been studying these animals for years to try and figure out how they do this, and they've discovered that it has to do with a group of genes called homobox genes. These genes control the development of an organism's body plan, like where the head ends and the tail begins. And somehow this creature is able to turn off those genes when it's injured, which allows it to grow new body parts. We're still a long way from being able to do this ourselves, but if we ever figure it out, then maybe, just maybe, we could grow new limbs or even entire organs.